Hello, and today we're gonna be playing some Jurassic World the game. Yeah, if you didn't watch the last video, I recommend that you did. That you do. 'Cause it was pretty good. And then also that'll make you understand everything that's going on in this video. There. Okay, he had a quest. And also, yes, I had Allosaurus. Yeah, off camera, I fought a bunch of people. I also got a challenge. Okay. It's oddly convenient. Oh, damn. Sorry, guys, this may take a while. Alright, it's there. We did it. Welcome the Allosaurus. Yes, I know it kind of looks like a T-Rex, but that's just its mod. And I'm being so serious. It's an actual Allosaurus. Wait, is that thing purring? Connecting buildings with roads. Okay. So let's get a road. So then, start over here. And then we're gonna have. Wait, did that count as a building? Or did it count the coffee shop? Damn, I didn't get to read what she said. And if you just paused and read what she said, I salute you. That's a big thing. That's a big wow from me. Okay. Night prize jump tickets. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, sweet. Yeah, sure, I'll watch a video for it. Alright, this you don't want to see. Surprisingly, it was one of the shortest ads I've ever seen. Oh. I thought if I watched the video, I would get a card. But nope. And also, I do. Yeah, did I get a guanlong because I killed it? Yeah, I killed the dinosaur, didn't I? Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, this is the stage where you fight the guanlong. Alright. Let's get the Majongosaurus and Ali, and then Rosie. I want to call. Oh yeah, I named her Majin. I wish you could actually name the dinosaurs. I'm gonna look it up after this video, and I'm gonna be hella surprised if you actually can. Them actually change their names to the ones that I gave them. Come on, Majin, you got this. That's Majin. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. If you didn't know, that it seems like roars from Crisis. That was like the first time. Those are the people that made that roar. It was actually from the T-Rex. Get Tyrannosaurus wrecked. Oh no! We have to kill our teams, Rosie. Oh, that's okay, Mijin. You'll be avenged. Yeah, you know, as soon as we get to 4, we go heavy. Because all of a sudden they start doing that shit. And we won! They got Tyrannosaurus wrecked. Oh, there. Oh, hell yeah. Guanlongs. Why did it make the sound as I was saying Guanlongs? Okay, we're gonna wait for that. Like the way we're actually supposed to. Wait, do we have enough? Damn, we don't got nothing. Me do. Alright, yeah. It's time for another matchup in the battle arena. I think you like what I got planned. Hoskins, you should have told me before I destroyed your dinosaurs. He's just straight up crying in the corner. Oh, I got my dad. How'd you kill them already? How the hell do I do that? Oh, I have to do that? Sure. You know, I'm gonna make it tropical. Tropical planter. No. There. Yes, we did it. I think I read a paragraph on how the creatures respond positively when well kept. What does it contain? No, enclosures. Dr. Wu has been renewing different fossil specimens. Why does it make me think? What makes me think more creatures are on the way? Because maybe there are. All right, let's do so. No. Come on. Get up. Get up. You can't die now. Like you said, it was a wakey, sleepyhead. We're gonna awaken our genome. Our genome. That's what I'm gonna mean. Bro, why'd that Utahraptor just start freaking doing that? Oh, damn you. Please no shield. Ah, sweet. Ah, yeah, that was enough to kill you. She didn't even get to land a hit. She just straight up died. Good. Not for attack, not for attack, not for attack. Aw. Ah. It's okay. We got Allie over here. Get Tyrannosaurus wrecked. Oh shit. Don't worry, she about to get stomped out. Yeah, you just heard me spam the attack. Ooh. She can't do more damage. Oh. Right there. Go on. Wait, wasn't that the thing I put in? Yeah, it was a Guanlon, right? Yeah, Guanlon. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know this video was a little short, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I always say, Peanut and I will be waiting